In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create a message, audio one, and add it instantly within an app, click on this button at the bottom right corner. Then use microphone one to start recording. Create your message and tap on red button to stop. You can also hit restart if you wanna start over. Now you can listen to it and tap on attach. But you can also tap on attach instantly and still listen to it here. If you want to add an audio file that's already on your smartphone, click on this plus at the bottom left corner instead to access Files section available here. Then choose Audio at the top. Look for your file in one of those apps, or most people miss. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to look for it in all of those sections. When you find it, tap on it to attach it. If you want to create and add a video file, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Switch from photo to video. Adjust all of those camera options, and when you're ready, create your video. After you end it, it will be automatically attached to your message. If you wish to add one that's already on your device, click on the same icon. Tap on it here to add it, or if you can't find it, swipe down and look for it thanks to all of those searching options. Then click on it and tap on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!